Hi, my name is Alan Henry. My register number is URK17C04, and I'm here to explain the ninth exercise of our Java lab that's regarding multi-threading. Uh, I went with the second question here. The second question was just to create two threads and ensure that they are synchronized in such a way that one thread acts as a producer, that it puts data in a variable here stock, and the consumer which consumes the data. I'm just printing the data here, so it will just access the data that is being put by the producer, and this should happen in synchronization, ensuring that unless data has been put, the consumer obviously should not be able to consume it. Let's have a look at the code and analyze this problem. This is my main method here. Process data. This is the object of my class that I have created later. I'll come to that later. Two threads. Thread T1 for my producer, thread T2 for my consumer. I'm using anonymous in the class for overriding the method run for each of the threads. So in the run method for the producer class, I'm just putting data into the stock six times. So 1 to 6, 1 to 5 I'm running in the for loop. Similarly in thread 2 I'm just consuming data, similarly running it six times, not passing a variable here as I'm passing here, setting the names to producer and consumer for T1 and T2 and starting it. This is the class. Stock is the common variable that will be accessed by both my put and my get method in the class. Uh, Flag is just to ensure that whose turn, basically which function's turn it is to access stock. So let's have a look at put. Put I is the argument that I'm passing this function. Uh, Initializing stock to I, printing that I have put stock in the stock variable. Notify is a function that works with wait. I'll explain wait, and flag, no, just to make it false, so the other function knows that it's his turn to access it. Wait will just put this thread into such a mode that unless the other thread notifies it, it won't run. Basically, it will keep on waiting until the notify from the other thread is actually called. Get method, if flag, so if this is true, again I'm waiting, so it will notify the other thread, uh, or it will come out and system dot printing get stock, that is I'm consuming the data that's currently present in stock and again calling notify. So this will pair with uh, the wait in the put method, and this will pair in the wait in the uh, get method. Wait isn't try because it will throw an exception, so that has been handled here as well. And finally I'm taking care of a flag, putting it to. So if you notice, in the end I'm making the flag true or false just to ensure that the current functions are able to access uh, my stock variable uh, according to your turns. So let's run and check the output. Okay, so as you can see, put and get are working in sync. So when I'm putting 0, that's when I'm able to get 0. Similarly, when I'm putting 1, I'm able to get 1, for 2, 2, 3, 3. That's all for till 0 to 5. So that's it for this topic.